Okay, welcome guys. It's Dom here, and this is my first day of building, I would say businesses with AI, but I'm gonna use Cortex only for this 30-day challenge starting today, um, where I'm gonna show as much as possible in public while building using the Cortex platform. So since today is the first day, what I'm gonna do is pretty simple. I'm just gonna um, pick the business, which is basically the outbound business. I personally need an outbound uh, engine for Cortex, so I'm gonna build that out using the Cortex platform. So today I'm just gonna schedule the entire 30-day challenge and starting today. If you have any questions, whatever you need, or opinions, feedback, just ask whatever you want to the chats, and I'm gonna respond to everyone. So let's start. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen right now. Okay, whatever. Okay, let me share the screen and we can start. I was trying to share another screen, but I'm gonna share it. All right. So this is a challenge of 30 day, and I'm gonna build something useful first to me. In this case, as I described before, is an uh, outbound biz. Um, I'm gonna use Cortex only. So right now, Cortex is, for those who don't know Cortex, we launched a new version of Cortex, the autonomous company operating system. What you have, like one instance, and agents that can run 24/7 on our machines, or like you can self-host Cortex and run it locally. So let's start. I already mentioned to Cortex this challenge, so he already knows about that. Let's start simple. We can even run multiple agents in parallel. I forgot to mention. Yeah, so this is the new Cortex. I'm using the anthropic model right now. You can add whatever you want here. I just added anthropic. Otherwise, you can even use the Cortex models here. Yeah, I mean it's way better anthropic. Yeah, as mentioned, Cortex already has the outbound company. I mean, I'm calling it outbound company, but it's not. It's I would say it's not a company at all. It's mostly for me first, because I will need to do that for Cortex on the new version. But I said, okay, let's build it in public and let's try this new version in this way, while testing it. While Cortex is working, I think today I'm gonna connect my Cortex to Telegram, so I can use it on my Telegram, so I can also keep talking and building while I'm not here on my laptop. Um, okay, it gave me the sort of pipeline. Okay, like 14 days to architect and build every component of the outbound engine, all agents live, all connection. I think it's also too much. I think there is enough time to build whatever we want. So I would say this is the first time of building something in public. So I don't know the real estimated time for this, to be honest. I'm assuming a couple of weeks, but it might be also shorter. Um, so day one. Yeah, okay, so let's start from this. Okay, so before even, of course, building something, you need to have the context of what you're gonna build. Um, Also, I'm not sure if I'm gonna define right now the ideal customer profile because okay, so let's assume, of course, I'm building this for me first. So okay, I also asked, yeah, to create the project. Okay, so we have it. Um, yeah, the workspace. Okay, but yeah, it was here, but I want to create an entire new project here. So I think I'm gonna use also this. Right. Okay, unfortunately, I also don't have it separated from here. So I'm not able to see entire comments, but I'm gonna fix that. Okay, so I basically asked Cortex to ask me questions to better understand how this outbound business should work. So the entire structure, so we can track everything, the map, of the engine we're going to build right now. I mean, the following weeks. And so, as you can see, we will start from the ideal customer profile. So right now I'm going to use the outbound system for, I would say, for two types of customers. So B2B customer, I already have a target proposing Cortex, because at the end of these 30 days, I think we are gonna have also the Cortex service. So we can start selling our Cortex to the companies. Okay, but I'm gonna edit this. So I'm gonna add also more details. So this is my customer. What's the core offer? What are you selling? Yeah, okay, this one, the Cortex itself. So this is what we are selling basically. But okay, so the goal of the outbound will be, to sell Cortex. So this is it. But it's not an AI agent consulting, so I need to edit. What's an infrastructure you planning to use? So I'm gonna use. Okay, he's suggesting instantly Gmail. We can even start in using Gmail. The CRM, I wanna put it. I love Google Sheets, so I'm gonna use Google Sheets. Okay, this is also the human in the loop. So we're gonna use Telegram. And also, I'm not sure. I mean, we can even, like create a fully autonomous outbound system, but I want to have at least the final approval, the final verification for the outbound. So I'm gonna choose Telegram for now. Okay, let's start with that. But I'm gonna edit it because the ideal customer profile is not as founders. I mean, it's not 100% this. What's the core offer? Cortex itself, that's true, but I'm not gonna sell the AI agent consulting. So the lead, of course, we are not gonna use Apollo. We can create everything here. Okay, so the goal of this challenge is to have everything in-house. Okay, this is also something I'm gonna edit. I think it's also useful adding here like an option to text. Okay. What's your target sending volume per day once running? I would say we can definitely send 100 plus emails per day, but I'm not gonna handle this. So let's do this. How should the system handle positive replies? Okay, so let's give the agent, to handle the positive replies, but I need to approve them on Telegram. Okay, I'm gonna use Gmail for now. My Gmail. Otherwise, you need to, we need to buy a new domain. I mean, it's like the first version of this outbound system should be for me. So I should be able to use it. Should be very good. I also should have, a dashboard to track everything. Not fully autonomous system because I need to approve them. So it's gonna be a mix. So let's use Gmail for now, and then at the end, I mean, when everything is ready, we can allow people, external people, using it, and maybe there we need to buy a domain. So for the sequence structure, how many touch points per lead before marking as dead? Okay, 3 emails is fine. Also, we are only speaking about emails right now, but I would also send LinkedIn messages. So, manage all the LinkedIn flow. So we are replicating what you are seeing maybe around on X and other platforms for the outbound systems. Okay, I'm gonna add my cal. Okay, that's good because this is what I was talking about right now. So let's do email plus LinkedIn. So guys, I'm sorry if you have comment or opinion, feedback, you can just text. Also, I'm gonna put everything here on this doc. I will share it at the end of the live under my post, so on X, on YouTube. Yeah, mainly on X and YouTube. I can't on Twitch. And I will also start on LinkedIn this week. But yeah, I will share this doc in public so everyone can follow my journey. Okay, let's see the final map here. Okay, here we go. We have the project. So everything, created under the outbound 30-day challenge in this case is tracked and monitored here. So we have all the assets, the agents. We are going to build the campaigns, the copy, the leads, okay, everything. Of course, right now, everything is empty because we are just getting started. Okay, Cortex already created the agents we will need. So we need the lead sorter. So, okay, the lead enricher, the copywriting agent, sender agent, reply monitor, okay, reply handler, and CRM updater. Okay, we are gonna build this, as you can see, through these days. I'm quite confident that we are going to build this in less than 2 weeks, to be honest. So let's see that. Also, this is also, I would say, really interesting to see. We are going to have all the assets here. This is also, okay. So basically Cortex right now created for each, I don't know if for each of them, yes, maybe, what we are gonna need. The CRM. Okay, so the entire structure basically has been built by Cortex right now. Okay, let's open this into a tab because this is interesting. This is our structure. For now, like this is just after 10 minutes of iterations with Cortex. So, of course, it's longer than what we are talking about right now. But yeah, we have for each of them. Okay. Yeah, so for each category, basically, Cortex created structure of what we need. This is what we are building. So the goal of our outbound system is going to be book 30-minute discovery calls with, yeah, okay, so this is something I'm going to fix right now because it's not like I'm not going to sell AI agent consulting. The company size, this is not our target. Okay, let me fix that. Okay, let's review it. Fully autonomous outbound engine, that's true. Sources and resources, SaaS founders, that's not 100% true. So let's start making some edits. Okay, we also have the structure of what we're gonna build. Okay, I'm also gonna post everything here. So let's start. Okay, let's change some. Also, let me see how many of you. Okay, we are 13. If you guys want to write something, any kind of comments, feedback, you have the freedom to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna edit the architecture here because there are a couple of things that I don't like. So this, okay, so let's do that. Also, I don't want to use external tools beside. I mean, we can of course integrate external tools. We are going to integrate LinkedIn. We're going to integrate Gmail, Telegram, Google Sheets for this the CRM, and um, and okay. Okay, Cortex is also like proposing me to start with the CRM, but let's edit first. Okay, that's true. Here, all right. So okay, according to this, added the ECP. Of course, because this is not 1% correct anymore, and also which platforms we can use to get the emails. Yeah, basically emails, and because LinkedIn we are going to use the integration we have here. Also, I'm not interested. Yeah, I mean, product hunt could be interesting. Okay. Yeah, also, I wanna ask. Yeah, so we're going to use Gmail as primary outreach channel. Of course, I know that, like, I will start with a low. Okay, this is edited. Uh, so this is not the updated one. Okay, we are gonna. Oh, I can check. Yeah, this. Okay. Mm. Um, company size. Okay. Okay. This is also mm, true. Okay. All right. Um, okay, we have the entire structure here. So this is basically, yeah, the entire architecture of the. Okay, it's still editing the doc. Yeah, like, among these tools, I don't want to use Apollo for the lead sourcing. I will try to create everything. I mean, of course, we're going to use external platforms like LinkedIn for the outreach, Gmail for the emails, Google Sheets for the CRM, Telegram to manage the entire agents. Also, yeah, this one, this structure. This is basically the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 agents, 7 employees. Yeah, employees we're gonna be. All right. So, okay, we made the changes. One question: who is the primary contact title you wanna target? Yeah. Uh, uh, think about is fine for now. Also, yeah, okay. So I think we're gonna use yeah, not entirely 4 weeks, but I think couple of weeks for the entire um, agent here. Okay. After this, I think. Okay, so okay, let's leave this structure for now. Then we will. All right. So let me get this right now. Entire project we are setting up the agents we will need the tools, the roadmap, everything needed to share it on a Google Doc so my community can get it and read it whenever they want, and I can also track my progress there. Um, okay, so I'm gonna recap what we also this is cool. What we did right now, and I'm gonna put everything here in this doc, and I'm gonna share it with you guys on my handles. Um, so we can track everything. 8 agents, by the way. So we will build a lead sourcer agent. Okay, so the guy that goes outside and look for leads. Then the enrichment agent for personalized hooks. Then the copywriting agent. You know, like for each of them, we could also build specific skills. So everyone get specialized in one simple task. The Telegram approval bot. This is pretty simple. We are just gonna connect Telegram to Cortex. Basically, this is what we need to do. So we need to open bot paddle. We need to pass here the bot token, and that's it. It's connected. Then we have the sender agent, the reply monitor. Okay, every 2 hours. I mean, yeah, this is good. So the agent for the replies and scheduler sequence. So basically, as we said, we are gonna have 3 follow-ups. Okay, I'm also thinking like, but this is of course second step. After everything is set up, my goal is to put everything into a dashboard, so I can manage, also all the agents. I can see what are they doing and so on. And the next step is going to be, okay, let's create a product based on that. So people can just put the company name, the targets they want to reach. They're going to create the agents. So we are going to have basically the same structure, but you can decide if you need the lead sourcer. For example, you already have your leads. Okay, that's an example. So you just want to use the copywriting agent and Telegram approval about. And I'm going to create everything on that. I think it's gonna be pretty interesting. Um, 18 people. Thank you guys. I mean, this is my first live ever regarding Cortex and building a business on top of Cortex. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, because okay, we can put like that. Okay, it's still working. I don't know. Maybe I can already connect my Telegram. To be honest, we can manage everything on Telegram then. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna create my Telegram, I would say, manager here, because we're gonna have up to 8 agents, 8 different agents for this project. Um, yeah, but the agent we will need for Telegram, as it's called, is the approval agent, should be. Yeah, the approval bot. So let's create it. So bot father, it's really, really easy, by the way. Okay, let me delete first all the bots that are here. Okay, I'm gonna call it outbound approval bot. Okay, so we have it. I mean, it's not requested right now, but okay. So let's call it approval outbound bot. Okay, so I need to send a token. Okay, I'm just gonna stop for a moment the share screen, of course. I'm gonna use the token. I'm gonna connect my Telegram so we can already have everything here. Okay, let me share the screen again. Okay, so basically this is it. Okay. It has already been verified. Oh, that's an error. Okay. Oh, maybe it's my bad. My bad. Let me check the token. Okay. Okay, I'm not able to connect my Telegram right now, so I will just go on here, and we can think about that later. Okay, so this is the um I mean it's too long. Also because I'm not interested in uh okay, you know what? Let's do that. Yeah, but I'm not interested in all of this. No, you know, let's redo it. And you know, it's I mean, it's cool like having this where is it? The the agent structure. Yeah. This is also cool. So let's see. Okay, so what's that? It's basically all the tasks the agents are gonna work on. So imagine the lead sorcerer, you know, agent is gonna you know is working on something right now. We are gonna see it here. So imagine like you know the projects we see here, um, like this project, okay, is like I would say quote unquote company. Yeah, we have a lot of projects here. You know, you can basically clone these projects. If you need a compliance assistant in house for the legal team, 11 Labs project, s- specialized agent for the presentation. I mean, it's pretty uh, useful right now. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Also, I'm curious to see. Oh yes, we have everything here in the docs. Yeah, this is the master with the entire. Okay. So right now, okay. So today in this post live, um, we built the I would say the architecture of the outbound system we're gonna build. Um, okay, let me close this. Okay, this is something I'm gonna have open. I think this is the only one I wanna have right now. Otherwise, I'm also gonna build. I'm also gonna copy. I can copy this. Yeah, that one. No, wait. Okay. So this is what we need. Of course, it's not this. Um. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is the public doc I'm gonna share with you. So okay, system. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So we have the lead sourcer, the enrichment agent, the copywriting for the personalized email or messages. Okay, because we said we're gonna use Gmail plus LinkedIn. Then I need to approve it through Telegram. And then we have the following up if someone is not responding. And then we have, of course, the sender agent. 8 agents, we have them. So we are going to build 8 agents. This is the entire structure of the agents, the tech stack. Basically, everything is under Cortex here. Okay. Yeah, because right now it's still like, we need a source of for our leads. Mostly for the verified emails, mostly for that. So let's take Apollo for now, but we can also ask Cortex to go and scrape the web and verify emails in some ways, mm, yeah. I'm not going to use the LinkedIn Sales Navigator for that. LinkedIn is only used. We can use LinkedIn for some leads, but I'm gonna mostly using LinkedIn for the outreach. So this is our target. So I mean my target. I forgot to add this for the target. Wait, because we are also targeting like. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the roadmap. Day one. At least we have the architecture. We have the ideal customer profile, which is this. And so tomorrow we are going to create the lead sourcer agent. So the first agent we need, of course, we need the leads to reach out. So we are gonna create the first agent. So for now, let's leave Apollo for the sources. I'm not quite sure, but we can connect, of course, Apollo to our agents and on Cortex. But let's see tomorrow. Okay, this is a recap for the 8 agents. Thank you, guys. So thank you for. So I'm just editing here the ideal customer profile. I'm gonna add, like targeting process EV companies, which is our target. And all right. So thank you guys for watching this first live. If you have any questions, whatever you need, I'm available on X, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, whatever you want. So thanks for watching this first live, and yeah, see you tomorrow.